Hi guys, welcome back with the last puzzle in this additional not in today's newspaper of Monday. Yes, it's actually Monday today, Monday, March the 13th 2023. I've told you earlier we have no extra puzzles, no additional in today's newspaper, and I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the weekend edition, the Saturday and the Sunday edition. Yes, Saturday, Sunday, 11 March the 11th or 12th 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku. And the last puzzle I will do for today is the Tectonic with 1 star, and then I will and then I have all the puzzles solved in the weekend edition. Alright, Tectonic with 1 star, number 611 6111. Yes, 6111. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 18 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. Of course, because this is indicated with 1 star, and for 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, that's my time limit. Is this really a 1 star? We don't know. We'll see. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only one single box. No, 2 single boxes. Single box is always a 1. Let me put the 1 there. Next question, do we have dual box? I see here dual box. They also dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Here the same. Here can be a 1. The 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Next question, triple boxes. Do we have triple boxes here in this puzzle? No triple boxes. Quadra boxes then. Contains the 1, the 2, 3 and the 4. No quadra boxes in this puzzle. Then my next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case it's a 1. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, this one rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, then the following shape. How about this shape then? Oh wait, overlook this one. We have another one. Yes, this box has the same number as that box. Alright, then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me put this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes. Well, we have another one, but we rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? The L shape. Upside down. Yeah, let me put the L shape here. L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4. Alright, 4. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me put this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember and this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1. Alright. Do we have more? Yes. Mirrored. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yes, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 shapes. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, it should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so of course this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. For the 5 we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5 we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, in this L-shaped area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4 we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5 we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes in there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5 we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5 we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and 3 we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then let me see. I think this box should be a no. Let me think. I need more numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this cross area should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. This box is also connected with that box, should be also a 2. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area should be here. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4 we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes and there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4, it should be there. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. This box can be a 5, that box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Alright, told you, should be an easy one. Should be an easy one. It's a 1 star indicated. Definitely a 1 star, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Have a great and fantastic Monday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.